Hey guys, today I'm going to be making boiled eggs in my Simfonio pressure cooker. So for this video, I'm going to be using a steam basket, which comes with the pot, 4 eggs, 1.5 cup of water, and the pot. So first I'm going to add the steam basket. And then I'm going to put in my water. And then my eggs. Make sure to place them gently. And then I'm going to cover it. Make sure that the valve is on sealing. Then I'm going to turn it till it's on steam. And then I'm going to click, and now I can adjust the time. If you would like soft boiled eggs, then you can set it for 3 minutes, but if you would like hard boiled eggs, you can set it for 6 minutes. Then I'm going to click, and it's going to start preheating. So once the timer is up, we're going to do a quick release. Once the pin is dropped, it is safe to open. Now I'm going to place the eggs into a bowl of cold water. Make sure to place it in gently. And now I'm just going to let it sit for a few minutes. So now I'm just going to peel the egg. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.